What's it?
Something is why the Christians say something like that happy the simple minded because the kingdom of heaven belongs to them. So I would like to know why the people who are simple in their mind.
He says that the Christians sometimes say that the people who are simple in their mind, kingdom of heaven belongs to them.
That is a statement which is shared by almost all prophets. The Quran also mentions this, that those people who are simple in the sense that they believe what is being said out of their clean, pious nature. The simplicity there means a clean, pious nature which does not which does not excite them to rebel against goodness. This is simple and pious people. Simplicity here cannot be understood to mean insanity or stupidity. Perhaps this is why you connected the both. Yes. Simplicity here does not mean that they are stupid people. They are good people, so they know when there is goodness. Because like-minded people understand the like-minded things. So whenever they come across goodness, it's impossible for them not to recognize it. So their simplicity means their innocence and their piety. Right?
Or maybe I can wait my second.
Next time.
Yes.
Next time, please.